So guys, welcome again. Please remove school account in your laptop and desktop. Click to start button, go to setting and account, your account. Here to show school account and just click to disconnect and again connect, because the school accounts nobody have access and more than, so you your laptop and desktop you properly used, so many restriction in the school account. So please you remove the school account and then go to again Windows Update and click the check update and download all the latest KBK 50 like this and click to update. And then guys, Windows critical side is repaired, so I give you how to repair and type CMD and right click to run as administrator. And type sfc space slash scan now. All command I will give you in description, so you just copy and paste. So this process is 100% like do it's scan your all Windows files who's corrupted, so automatically repair. Starting the percentage. Three more command I have, so I all command given description you just copy and paste. Okay. Now guys, 88%, 99, then 100. Okay. Replace and repair, then online. Then guys you type DISM, this command in description, so use copy and just left click, right click, automatically paste and then enter. Okay. And then guys, DISM online cleanup image scan health. Here scan health, scan check health and scan health, then enter. Image version 10.20. so please wait few minutes. Now it's working background. Now scanning health is start, so also is starting like percentage, so please wait. So now we have check health is checking and now is scanning. So finally guys, this 100% scan health, and one more there, restore health, check health, scan health and restore health, and then enter. So this is last command. So guys, totally has 100% finished. Then restart your system and please check. Have any other issue again showing problem, so comment me, I will support you fastly to fastly. Okay, take care, bye bye.